Happy birthday, Brita. Happy birthday, darling. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brita. Happy birthday to you. Ich liebe dich, meine große Liebe. Mein Frau, mein schöne Frau. Extraño mucho. I miss you so much. Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you, Brita, keep taunting me, holding you. It's a feeling I never outgrew. Though each and every part of me has tried, God knows I've tried. Only you can fill that space inside. So there's no use pretending my heart it's not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand all alone, oh darling, those memories keep flowing through, and I just can't go on without. Life is no good without you, Brita. Ich liebe dich, meine große Liebe. Extraño a ti. I miss you so much. A toast to you, my darling. I love you, Brita. I miss you so much. Forever and to always, waiting to be with you.